the 2013 Lexus LX 570. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, and load-leveling rear suspension maintains a comfortable ride. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, illuminated running boards, power moonroof, a trailer hitch, and leather upholstery. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and rear side impact airbags, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Lexus's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.